If you ever get tight hamstrings and you try to stretch them out, you wake up the next day, do you feel like they're tighter than they ever were before? Yeah, it's because that literally happens. The connective tissue is so trained in that area of the body. So today I'm going to show you a couple of ways to release some of that by using strength instead of a stretch. All right, it's a little bit more sustainable, meaning that it's safer, you won't get injured. And then also it's more effective. So we're going to come into a standing forward fold to start. I want you to bend your knees so that you can rest your ribs on your thighs. And breathe, start to breathe through your nose. And what you want to do is just kind of notice, you know, if you have open hamstrings, you're going to be able to straighten your legs pretty well. But if you have tight hamstrings, you might be bent quite a bit. And I'm not concerned about how much you're bent, but just notice that, okay? Now from here, we're just going to take the hips down and up a few times and start to feel your thighs turn on. So we want to get a little thigh action here. Look at your knees while you're at it. If they are angling toward each other, push them apart. We don't want to injure anybody's knees today. So let's do the couple more of these. And we're going to step the left foot back. So we're coming into this position where the right knee is very bent. We have the right side ribs resting on the thigh. The left leg is stretching way back. And we're going to take the hips up into a forward fold again, pull the foot in, tap it down on the floor, and then extend it again. Keep the connection over here on the right. Pull it in, tap the sole of the foot, reach it back. Keep breathing through that nose. We're going to do two more. At this point, your right thigh might be a little on fire. And that just means you're building some new strength. Pull it in, hold in your forward fold. So you may feel a difference side to side, yeah? All right, let's try this on the other side. So now the right leg is gonna reach back into like a little half plank. Tap it in on the forward fold. Stretch it, reach it back. Tap it in. Tap. Stretch it, tap it. Notice how connected this is over here. Super connected. Double check your position of the knee. Last one here. And then lift your hips up into your forward fold. Take a nice deep breath. And then we'll lift up. All right, so that is one way that we can safely and effectively release hamstrings. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.